If you're trying to reach gutters or high spots around 28 to 32 feet without dealing with a bulky extension ladder, multi-position ladders might be your best bet, but there are some things you gotta know before buying one. So here's the deal. Most multi-position ladders max out around 26 feet, like the Gorilla brand you mentioned, and adding extra sections to hit 32 feet isn't really a thing because of safety and stability concerns. Instead, think about renting a taller extension ladder from places like Home Depot or local equipment rental spots for those occasional big jobs. If you really want to stick with a multi-position ladder for storage reasons, look for models that convert between A-frame, extension, and scaffold positions. This gives you flexibility for different heights. Also, consider the ladder's weight. Those bigger ones can be a workout to carry around, so make sure you can handle lugging it up and down safely. Check the ladder's duty rating too, so it supports your weight plus any tools you're carrying. When cleaning gutters, always wear non-slip shoes and have someone spot you if possible, safety first. And if you don't have a good place to store a long ladder, think about collapsible or folding models that pack down smaller but still meet your height needs. Remember, having the right ladder isn't just about height, it's about being safe and comfortable while doing the job. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people trying to use ladders beyond their rated height or combining parts that weren't made to fit together, which is a huge safety no-no and can cause falls or damage. Another common issue is underestimating how heavy these big ladders are. They're not just hard to carry, but also tricky to set up correctly by yourself. Lastly, some folks forget to check if their ladder has the right duty rating, which means it might not hold up under their weight plus tools, leading to dangerous situations. The fix? Always stick to manufacturer guidelines on height and weight limits, never modify ladders with random add-ons, and get someone to help when handling big or heavy ladders. Renting is a smart move if you only need the extra height once in a while, and always double-check your ladder specs before buying or using it. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for stuff like this because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know their way around all kinds of home gear and projects. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid spot to get leads and connect with homeowners needing help. Makes the whole process way easier for both sides.